Hey guys, Jordan here, and in this real estate photography question of the day, we're gonna answer this one. Do you need a pilot's license to fly a drone for real estate photography? Now, to fly a drone for real estate photography, you don't necessarily need a license, but if you're gonna charge for your services, you definitely need your Part 107 license. I don't know if that's considered a pilot. I guess it's considered a drone pilot's license. Now, when I first started flying drones, I had to go out and get a real pilot's license to fly airplanes, which seemed pretty silly, but at the time they didn't really have the Part 107. The Part 107 came out shortly after that, but you definitely want to look into the regulations and rules of your particular area. So you can definitely go out and fly a drone and practice as a hobbyist without any issues, and then the issue becomes when you start to do it commercially is when you need that license. At least here in the United States, I believe that's what the current regulations are. So pick up a drone, get your bearings about yourself, go out to a field and fly and become familiar with the controls, because it does take a little while just to feel comfortable with the drone. Now, you don't have to be super proficient at it, because most drones these days have sensors all over the place and will help you to not crash into things. And I always recommend, and this is how I've been able to salvage a lot of drones. Actually, I have crashed a couple into trees, but you take your drone up off the ground and you fly it higher than any obstacle that you're going to be flying around. That is when accidents happen, right? When you don't know, if you're close or not close to anything. It's always that tree that you didn't see. So I always go up, look around, make sure there aren't any obstacles anywhere that I'm going to be flying, and make sure that you're higher than that. And you don't have to worry about that. But from a licensing perspective, yeah, you do need your Part 107, and I go over that quite a bit in the courses. But if you're interested in learning more about the real estate photography business, you can check out our free workshop. The link is in the description below. That's going to do it for this video. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.